अक़वाम मुतहदा के हेडक्वार्टर में वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी ने आलमी योग दिवस की क़यादत की। इस मौके पर खिताब करते हुए पीएम मोदी ने कहा कि योग कॉपीराइट और पेटेंट फ्री है। यह हमारी पुरानी सकाफत है, इसकी वजह से दुनिया हिंदुस्तान के साथ आई है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी ने योगा प्रोग्राम में कहा कि योगा का मतलब है मुत्तहिद हो जाओ। मुझे याद है कि मैंने यहां 21 जून को योगा का आलमी दिन मनाने की तजवीज पेश की थी। आलमी योगा दिवस मनाने के लिए हिंदुस्तान के साथ पूरी दुनिया इकट्ठा हुई। योगा हिंदुस्तान से आया है, यह हिंदुस्तान की पुरानी सकाफत और कॉपीराइट से आजाद है।
Your Excellency Chaba Koroshi, President of UN General Assembly, Her Excellency Amina Mohammed, Deputy Secretary General of the Union, His Excellency Eric Adams, Mayor of New York, and my dear friends from all over the world. Namaskar. Friends, on this fine morning, we are gathered here at the United Nations, at the meeting point of entire humanity. In this wonderful city of New York, I know many of you have come here from far away. Most of you have woken up before sunrise and made the effort to come here. I am delighted to see you all, and I thank you all for coming. Friends, I am told that almost every nationality is represented here today. And what an amazing cause to bring us all together, yoga. Yoga means to unite. So your coming together is an expression of another form of yoga. I remember about 9 years ago, right here at the UN, I had the honor to propose celebrating the International Day of Yoga on 21st June. It was wonderful to see the entire world come together to support the idea back then.
अक़वाम मुतहदा में मुनक़्क़िद होने वाले योग प्रोग्राम ने भी बड़ा रिकॉर्ड बनाया, जिसके लिए इस प्रोग्राम का नाम गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में शामिल कर लिया गया। इस योगा सेशन में बेशतर कौमें शामिल थीं, यानी तकरीबन हर कौम का एक फर्द या नुमाइंदा शामिल था।
Well, today was very unique in that Prime Minister Modi led us in doing yoga at the United Nations. You would all recall that in December 2014, it was under the Prime Minister's leadership and guidance that 21st June was inscribed as International Yoga Day, and therefore today it was a matter of deep honor for us and for the United Nations that the Prime Minister led us in doing yoga. And I'm also very happy to say that a record was also set. The maximum number of yoga participants in one place took place today at the United Nations. 191 countries had registered, and well, the Guinness gave us this certificate, which signifies that the maximum number of countries participated at the Yoga Day held in the United Nations on 21st June 2023. Thank you.